Good morning, students, teachers, and all staff at Furry Elementary. Can I please have your attention for the announcements? Well, yesterday on the morning announcements, we got to recognize our first students of the year who earned Captain of the Ship awards. And now today is another opportunity for all students to make above-the-line choices and lead by example in their own way, just as yesterday's winners demonstrated with their Captain of the Ship award behaviors. Now, above-the-line responses and choices are disciplined. They're going to be well thought out in your brain first, and they're responses that are going to help you or others improve in some way. And we've been starting to hear about E plus R equals O and are starting to learn about that. And I just want everyone to remember that E stands for an event. And events happen all the time, and we have no control over them. They can be good events or bad events, but we have many different events we experience throughout a day. So let me give some examples. Yesterday, it rained during recess. That raining during recess was the event. Today, an event is another school day has begun. That's the event that we don't have control over. No matter what we do or say, the school day is still going to begin. Or maybe an event could be that you came into school and you forgot to pack your lunch today. So those would just be different events that have happened and we don't have any control over them. But then we move on to the R, which if you remember stands for your response. In your response, you have 100% control over. This is what you're going to choose to do. But those responses too can be good or bad. And we say those responses can be above the line or below the line. So yesterday when you faced the event of it raining, did you complain about the rain and get upset? Or did you move into the classroom quickly to make the most out of your indoor recess? Two different ways to respond. Or when this school day begun today, the event, did you complain that you'd rather be home in bed? Or did you get excited about getting better today with the furry team? Two different responses. Or if you forgot to pack your lunch, did you respond by getting upset and yelling about it? Or do you go just ask your teacher what your choices will be since you forgot to pack your lunch? Because each of those different responses to those different events will give you a different O, which we say a different outcome. So if you decided to complain when it started to rain outside, did that help you have a better recess? Or was it better to get back in the classroom quickly and find something to do at indoor recess? You're going to get two different outcomes from those two different responses. Or how about when the school day begins? If you're thinking about being in bed and being tired, does that help you get more excited to be with the furry team and help you learn? Or the same thing could happen if we talked about the different responses for packing your lunch. Every response is going to give you a different outcome to the same events. So when you have an event today that you have to respond to, and we all will, we're all going to have plenty of events we deal with today. Think it through in your brain first, then respond above the line to help you get above the line outcomes. And the more you practice this, the better you're going to get. The more above the line choices you will make, and the more the best version of yourself will get better each and every school day. And now will everyone please stand, face the flag, put your right hand over your heart, and join me for the Pledge of Allegiance and the Pirate Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. At Furry Elementary School, we work to build trust so we can count on each other. We own our responses and take responsibility for our actions. We work to connect as pirates and support one another. We learn the pirate way so we can be the best versions of ourselves. All right, thank you, everyone. Today is Thursday, September 7th, 2023. And for lunch today, it will be cheese pizza with a crisp romaine salad and diced pears, Sandwich of the week, remember ham and cheese or peanut butter and jelly. We have one birthday to celebrate today, and it's the same name that was listed on here yesterday. We want to say happy birthday today to Lucy Orzak. I have to own that I had a mistake on there and had her birthday as yesterday, so she gets to hear happy birthday 2 days in a row, but today is Lucy's actual birthday. We hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day here celebrating it with the Furry team. And now we'll take that moment to just press pause and get our minds right. And that's what we're talking about when we say we want to think through our responses in our brains first. That's called getting your mind right, which helps you make those above the line choices. So let's go ahead and first start by breathing in for 4 and hold for 4. Breathe out for 4. All right. Very, very good. Just another reminder for our other announcements about the Mumpkin fundraiser and how it's begun. I've been talking with a lot of different students about my picture being up in different areas around the school. And just a reminder, what that's up there for is if you're able to sell 11 items at the fundraiser, you'll have a chance to silly string Mr. Common myself. And that's going to be it for the announcements this morning. So let's just keep doing the work to build trust, to own, and to connect. And let's make it a great day, Furry.